Hello students, good morning. In yesterday's class, we learned how to create pandas data frame using dictionary. Uh, Creation of dictionary is very easy, but in this case, we will have to pass multiple values for separate rows. Here we are having two columns, name and age as key and their value as list of elements for separate rows. Under name key, we are passing two values, Ray and Mohawk, and under age key, we are passing two values, 9 and 10, and that create a dictionary. With the help of data1 dictionary, we are creating data frame using method data frame. That data frame is being displayed. We have learned this one in last class. Now students, we will try to create data frame from list of dictionary. From list of dictionary means there will be a list with each element will be like dictionary. So here we are having two elements in this list. First element means first set of curly braces. Here there are two values x and y. X is column name and y is column name with value 1 and 2. Next is x, y, z with values 5, 4, 5. So what happens here? In first element we are not having z, that's why it create that row with value n, whereas in second row there are three values under head x, y, z. So students, we create this program. How we can create? It's very easy. We have created it, this one here. What we will do here, what we have to do, import pandas as pd1. We are creating here object of pandas as pd1. Then after we are creating the same dictionary here, and with the help of that dictionary we are calling method data frame, and that data frame method pass data1 as dictionary and as list of dictionaries. And if we execute this program, here one button is here, it will display console part, it will execute, will take few moments. If the program is correct, our output will be displayed. It will take few moments because installation is in the progress. It is installing pandas. For first time, whenever you will open such compiler, it will load numpy, pandas, pytz, such type of libraries which are required. Here student, you will find the output 1, 2 and nn, and then 5, 4, 5 as value. To switch over to our coding part, we have to press code. Here I am pressing code. Okay. Now student, I make one change. Here what happening? In first row there is no z. I create z here. Z and pass value in that under z column. I'm passing 7. Now I execute the program. For first time it take more time. Onwards it will execute our code quickly. It is. We are finding that 1, 2 and in place of nn, here we are having value 7 because we are having value under that column. So the same thing will happen if we remove next value, create z. Okay, so we are having x, y, z in first row and x and z in second row. I execute the program. Here student, you will find that the column name we don't mention will not have the value. Okay. Now students, we move towards next part, that is create data frame from dictionary of series. Dictionary of series, it is also possible. We have learned how to create data frame using list, data frame using dictionary, then data frame using list of dictionary, and now we are going to learn how we can create data frame using dictionary of series. Students, it's useful then when we have already created series, we are having multiple series. Now with the help of those series, we want to create data frame. Each series will represent a separate column. Here student, you will be finding that D1 is dictionary of series. Dictionary always contain key. One column, one key of dictionary is 1 and another key is 2, just similar to above program here, name and age, but here values are in the form of list, whereas in this values are in the form of series. Students, one point to be noted, nearby it is important to have index values. In 1 there are 3 values 1, 2, 3, and we are mentioning A, B, C as their label. Then 2 column hold value 1, 2, 3, 4 and their label A, B, C, D. So student, you will be finding thus that first column is not having label D, and that's why under that column and that particular label means 1 and D hold value NN, whereas in 2 we are having value 1, 2, 3, 4. Now student, we write the same program in our online compiler. Here we make change. What we are doing, we have passed that same code here. Now execute the program. Student, you are finding there are 2 columns 1 and 2. 1 is the key of dictionary, 2 is the key of dictionary, and 1 as a dictionary hold data series values with index labels A, B, C. There was no D label, that's why NN value is being displayed, whereas in under key or column 2 we were having 4 values with label A, B, C, D, so that value is being displayed like this. Now student, one point to be noted, if we make changes in the order of this A, B, then D, then C. Okay, here I have changed column order of series with 2 key. Now execute the program. Here you are finding A, B, D, C. Now executing the program. Here you will find student that sequence under column 2 is changed 1, 2 and then 4, 3, because of we have changed the sequencing with the help of index. So index is also important. when it is to be used. You are familiar. If student will pass additional value here and I make one change, I am not having here D and I am having here ABD, ABC, and I am making change ABE. Okay. Now student, you will find that on label A and B there will be value for both the columns, whereas on label E there will be value for column 1, 3, but there will be no value for D. Similarly on next column, now execute the program. Something mistake, that length of passed value is 4, index implies 3. Here what you are finding, students, index, then A, B, C, length of passed value is 4, index implies 3, line 3, file mean 1, 2, you will have to check it out. Import pandas as PD1, D1 equal 1 as key, then its value is panda series, and then index, and then after it's second. There are, okay, sorry, what we are doing mistake here, we are having 4 values but having 3 labels only. So I am having, now I am making changes here. I am having E as column, sorry, label here, and D is the label here. Now I execute the program. What happening here, under column 1 we are finding NaN over D because we are not having value of D. Here we are having one column labels A, B, E only, and under column 2 we are not having value for E because we are not having label, relevant label. Student, I think that you are finding it easy how we can create data frame using dictionary. Dictionary of series. Series can be created earlier also, just like that we are creating series as 1 equal, and then here what we are doing, okay, copy, here we are passing, sorry, it, the whole program was wasted because the content of this dictionary is not taken. Here I am making S1, removing this one, S1 equal PD1 dot series and creating index here as A, then comma B, suppose we are having two okay, and here we pass S1. Student, I will remove these all. It is being harder due to this online compiler. I copy from here, copy, then paste here. We are removing and passing here as 1. Okay, student. Now, student, you are finding that PD1 is an object, and we have created one series with two elements only. Here I make change, two elements only, that's enough, comma, index equal, and here we mention the label of index, here A, and comma, then B, and bracket. Okay, now execute the program. Now student, you are finding that S1 is the series which is already created and we are just passing that series as key. Okay, so under key 1. Okay students, so now we move towards the next part. This one you will yourself practice. Students, some remaining part of this topic is that column selection print, that we can extract a single column value only with the help of specification of this, like print df1. What will happen here? It will display only the values of one column. Okay, adding a new column by passing a series. Once a series is created, once a data frame is already created, we can add additional series as a separate column under that data frame. So here we are mentioning directly column name 3, and it will pass the values of the series 20, 10, 20 and 30 on label ABC. So I left you for it for your practice, that you student will do for your practice. Now next program is create a data frame from .txt file. First of all, you will have to have one .txt file and its location separated by tab keys or similar space. Then after, what we can do, with the help of that txt file, we can read the data in data frame. Here pandas, we are not creating object, we are directly using panda class, pandas module. Pandas.read table is, there is a method where we have to pass txt file with delimiter. Here delimiter is white space, it means space value, and names equal ABC. There will be 3 column ABC, and df1 will be created. If we display the value of df1, df means data frame, it will display 3 columns ABC, and there will value will be 1 1 1 2, then 1 2 3 1, like that. Okay, so student, one thing we can do here we have forgotten one thing left. I am doing here I am making column 3, and that is equivalent, and then pd 1 dot series with values 10, then index equal, again you have to mention bracket. Here I am mentioning the index C, now I display print df1, execute the program. Student, you are finding that before addition of additional series, we are having 2 columns only, 1 and 2, and after addition of third series, we are having third column. Here column name we are mentioning 1 2 3, and you can mention as per your requirement. Okay students, It's enough for today. I will give you some assignment for practice. Thank you.